Hello everyone, hope you are doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create a listing on Etsy from Printify. The first thing you want to do is go onto Etsy.com. Once on Etsy.com, you're going to go over to the top right hand corner and you're going to tap on sign in or sign up. Once you have done that and you have created an account, as you can see right here, all you'll need to do now is go onto Printify.com. Once on Printify.com, you're going to sign up, and again, it is completely free to sign up. You don't need a credit card or anything like that. Once you're finished with the sign up process, you'll be redirected to a dashboard just like this. And all you'll need to do is go over to the left hand menu option, and you're going to tap right where you see My New Store. And from there you're going to tap on Add a New Store. After you have selected Add a New Store, you're going to tap on Etsy. After selecting Etsy, you will be redirected to this page. And once you see the email address that you used to sign up on Etsy, all you'll need to do is simply scroll down and you're going to tap on Grant Access. Once you have tapped on Grant Access, you will be redirected to a new dashboard and you can see congrats, you are now connected. All you'll need to do is tap on the X right there and you can see my Etsy store signed in. So now you can create your first product. So to create your first product to add onto Etsy, you'll tap on Catalog. After you have tapped on Catalog, you can choose the category that you would like to use. So for example, if you would like to create a design on a mug or face mask or phone case, you can choose that by simply tapping on accessories. If you would like to create a t-shirt design for men or women, you can also do that. For this example, I'll simply tap on featured products. After you have tapped on featured products, again, you can choose the item or product that you would like to add your design to. So let's say, for example, I would like to add my design to this item right here. You'll simply tap on it. Once you have done that, you're going to scroll down and you're going to tap on Start Designing. After you have selected Start Designing and you're on this page, you can either choose to upload a design from your device if you had created one on Canva, or you had paid a freelancer to create one. Or you can tap on AI image generator and you could use their free AI image generator to upload a design, or you could choose custom text. For this example, I'll select AI image generator, then I'll tap on style and I'm going to be using the comic book style. Then from there you can type in your prompt and I'll simply type in a woman smiling. Let's do that real quick. Then tap on generate images. Once you have tapped on generate images, and by the way, you are given 15 daily free prompts that you can use. I will select this prompt right here. So I'll simply tap on it and you can see it right there. You can choose to increase or decrease the size if you want. So you could pull out the size if you want right there. So you can see the bottom of the bag. So let's say I want it to be added right here. Once you're finished, you'll tap on Save Product in the bottom right hand corner. After you have tapped on Save Product, you can see how it looks right there. So you can select the mockup that you would like to use. And again, this is just a quick example. You can also edit the title, the description, and you are going to scroll down and then you could choose the variants that you want. You can also edit the price by tapping on Edit Price. You can choose to set your price, or you can edit your profit or profit margin. And with Printify, your profit margin will automatically be set at 40%, as you can see right here. Once everything is to your liking, you're going to tap on Publish in the bottom right hand corner. After you have tapped on Publish, you will be redirected to a new dashboard. And you're going to give it a few seconds. As you can see that your design is being published. You can see right here. Once it shows published and all your items or your mockups have been added, you can go onto Etsy and you will be able to complete your uploading. You can see that it is uploading the images, so I'll give it a few seconds, then we'll continue our tool. Right here, normally you'll tap on the three dots. After tapping on the three dots, you'll tap on see in store. So let's do that real quick. After you have done that, you'll normally see the listing by tapping on shop manager in the top right hand corner, and from there normally it will fill out all of the listing items right here. But at the moment I don't know, this bag is not filling out, but you can see that it has been added if I were to tap on visit store in the top right hand corner, as you can see right here. But typically with other items you'll be able to edit your listing. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.